Welcome back to our channel. Today we explore the value of a specific coin that often catches collectors' eyes, the 1983 1 cent without a mint mark. Let's talk about the 1983 1 cent without a mint mark. Why is this particular coin so intriguing? In 1983, the US Mint transitioned from making pennies with a copper composition to a zinc core coated in copper. However, some early 1983, pennies were struck without a mint mark. Today, we're focusing on these elusive coins and their value, specifically in good condition. Now, let's take a closer look at what good condition means in the world of coin grading. A coin in good condition will show considerable wear with some details worn flat but still recognizable. It's a grade that indicates a coin has been circulated but remains intact. Several factors contribute to the value of the 1983 1 cent without a mint mark in good condition. Rarity, demand, and overall condition play crucial roles. Since these coins are relatively scarce, collectors often seek them out. So, what's the current market value of a 1983 1 cent without a mint mark in good condition? As of our latest research, these coins can range from $85,000 to $100,000, depending on the market demand and the specific condition of the individual coin. If you're a collector or thinking about getting into coin collecting, keep an eye out for this intriguing piece. Attend coin shows, check online auctions, and connect with fellow enthusiasts to enhance your chances of finding one. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your fellow collectors. Happy collecting!